I am Dr. Ajay Bapna. I am working at Bhagwan Mahavir Cancer Hospital and Research Center, Jaipur. The lung cancer is the commonest cancer in males in India, and the diagnosis is mainly based on the biopsy. On biopsy, we look at the type of the lung cancer and also about the genetic abnormalities. In metastatic setting where the tumor has spread to the other organs, the treatment is dependent entirely on the type of genetic abnormalities. So far, the tissue either taken from the primary cancer or from the other side from where the lung cancer is spread is the gold standard. But often it becomes very difficult to obtain the tissue from these sites. And it is very important before starting the treatment to know about the genetic abnormalities. So what are the other ways to know the genetic abnormalities? The liquid biopsy, which is done from the blood, has emerged as a very potent tool to investigate the lung cancer and the genetic abnormalities. The added advantage of the liquid biopsy is that it is a very simple procedure. We need to take the blood around 7 to 8 ml by doing just a venipuncture as we do for the other blood test, and also the turnaround time. The other advantage is after procedure it takes only 7 days, that is the turnaround time, to get the report when we do the liquid biopsy, while the tissue biopsy takes around 2 to 3 weeks. So this is another advantage of doing a liquid biopsy. The tumor heterogeneity can be better explored on liquid biopsy rather than the tissue biopsy, because the tumor which has spread to the other organs could harbor the different genetic abnormalities, and the DNA, that is genetic material which is being shared from the various metastatic sites, they all come into the blood, and we can pick up all those genetic abnormalities just by a simple test called liquid biopsy. And it gives almost the same results as we get from the tissue biopsy. So many labs in the country are doing this test very effectively, and we can opt for this test if the tissue is unavailable or if the patient is refusing for the biopsy. The liquid biopsy is also helpful in monitoring of the disease also in some cases. So my duty is to create awareness about this alternate tool to diagnose the genetic abnormalities which are present in the lung cancer beside the tissue biopsy, and we can opt for it whenever it is required. Thank you very much.